You stop and think about it, the ocean sure is wet. Aw, thanks for trying to cheer me up, Patrick. But I still can't remember where I put the secret formula.
Ooh, wait! How about the time we staged the fight to get you into the salty spittoon? That's a happy memory.
Aw, Patrick, this is cheering me up. Ah! Remember what I said? You're going down, Tubby. Patrick, this is swell. You were great in that pretend fight.
What fight?
I can feel the happiness bubbling up. Ah! Oh, I think I might even remember where I put the formula.
Well?
Well, it could be.
Yes?
Maybe it's,
Spit it out, you square-brained twit! I mean, friend.
I don't remember where it is yet. Oh, maybe I really am a weenie. Mr. Krabs is gonna fire me twice.
Don't worry, SpongeBob. We'll make you so happy you'll remember the Alamo.
I smell jelly!
You guys are the best friends a depressed sponge could ever have. Let's make me happy!